If I can influence you to buy only one product from the YesStyle sale this year, it would be... By now, we all know that there are some serious gems in the Asian beauty space because not only are the products so top tier, they're also way more affordable a lot of the times. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over all of my tried and true go-to products, my ride or dies. So I'm gonna be going over hair, makeup, and skincare in this video. I'm not gonna be giving out like a ton of recommendations for each category because this video would be 2 hours long then. But I'm just gonna be giving literally the products that I've just been using a lot recently and would 100% purchase with my own money. Many of these I have purchased with my own money or have bought them several times. This video is sponsored by YesStyle, so thank you so much to YesStyle for sponsoring this video. While they are sponsoring this video, they did not tell me which products to recommend, obviously. So these are my 100% honest recommendations and also things that I just buy myself, but they are listed on YesStyle. So if you are interested in getting any of these Asian beauty products, they are all on YesStyle, and for the next 3 days there's gonna be a mega sale and I'm gonna have an extra coupon code for you guys, and if you click the link in my description box you can shop directly on there with my code. So let's get into it. Okay, I want to start with my skincare products, my skincare favorites, and I'm not going to recommend a whole lot here because I generally just stick with a very simple skincare routine for the most part. Like once in a while I'll throw in extra serums or anything else like fancy like a mask, but for the most part my skincare routine is very, very simple because I do have sensitive acne prone skin. So if you have sensitive acne prone skin, keep watching because these are fungal acne safe and just sensitive skin acne safe. So yeah, my favorite cleanser of all time is Haruharu Wonder. This is the Black Rice Moisture 5.5 Soft Cleansing Gel. I think they have one with AHA in it, so make sure you're not getting that one and you're getting this one. This is the best cleanser ever. This is so good if you have sensitive acne prone skin because it's so gentle. I'm not gonna get too much into like nitty gritty, but like if you have sensitive skin, you need to be using a cleanser with a pH that's on the lower side. And so 5.5 is definitely on the lower side and you really shouldn't be going higher than that for the cleanser's pH. And a lot of cleansers have a pH of like 6.5 or sometimes even higher. So this is perfect if you have sensitive skin. Next up is toner. I used to never use toner. This is actually a pretty new step in my routine, but since using it, and especially this toner with the moisturizer that I use, which I'm just gonna show you now, the moisturizer that I use is this Purito Oat Gel Cream. This combination is amazing, like so perfect if you have oily skin or sensitive skin. This has never broken me out at all. Same with this, but like I get scared of using toners because I feel like sometimes that if you have really sensitive skin, it's too many steps, and like a lot of toners like you can use here and there, but you can't use it every day without my skin breaking out. So this I can actually use every single day and I've never had an issue with it. It is so good and I will 100% recommend this. I don't even know if I said what it's called. This is the numbuzin Pure Full Calming Herb Toner. This is numbuzin number 1, the blue bottle. And the moisturizer, this is so good. It's so lightweight yet so hydrating. I used to, even though I have oily skin, I never used to use gel creams because I found that like my skin is oily but kind of dehydrated, so the gel creams wouldn't be moisturizing enough for me. But with this combo, like I have no issues at all with that like dry, tight feeling where you feel like you have a cream that's just kind of like sitting on top of your face and it's not properly moisturized. Never have an issue with this combo, so this is just so good. My last skincare product that I'm gonna recommend is another from numbuzin. This is also number 1. I really like this line. Actually, I can't say that because I don't like every single product in this line. So I'm recommending the toner and the sunscreen. But this is so good, you guys. Like, it's so lightweight. I haven't heard that many people talking about this one because I feel like everybody recommends the same Asian beauty sunscreens. Like, they recommend like the Beauty of Joseon and like the Round Lab, the Skin 104, which are all great sunscreens, but this one is so good and it's very underrated in my opinion. It's super lightweight. I think it's more lightweight than those other ones I mentioned, but what stands out most to me is that it doesn't leave as much of a greasy finish on my skin, and it has never broken me out or anything, and it's just very, very pleasant to use. I would 100% recommend this one. For hair products, I am just gonna give one shout out here because I am so picky with what goes on my head, and there are definitely a good amount of Asian beauty hair products that I love, but this is the only one that I feel the most confident giving my 100% solid recommendation, and that is the Orbis Essence in Hair Milk. It's this bottle, and the reason I recommend this so strongly is because not only is it a really amazing leave-in conditioner, it's also so much more affordable than the ones that I can buy here in Canada. So there are definitely a lot of other leave-in conditioners that I will say I actually really like, but most of them, if not all of them, are sold at Sephora, and Sephora is freaking expensive. I am not trying to spend like 50 to 70 Canadian dollars now on a leave-in conditioner that's like the same size as this one. This one, I believe, is like $25 on YesStyle, and I mean, it's like half the price of the ones at Sephora, and it performs just as well, if not better, in my opinion. So this I 100% recommend. This is the only thing that's like a staple in my routine now, because with other hair categories, I switch it up all the time, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I use a mix of like so many different products, so that's why I only feel super comfortable recommending this one, because this one I've been using, it's almost empty and I have a backup, and I'm gonna stick with this one just because it's so good and it's so affordable. Okay, let's move on to makeup favorites now. I'm gonna start with my most favorite makeup product of all time. I'm not even joking, this is like Western makeup and Asian makeup all combined. It's actually my favorite product of all time. Like, let me just explain. Okay, so this is the JUNG MOOL Cushion Foundation. And if you guys have watched my other videos, you guys know that I am a super oily skin girl, and I have used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation for so long because that one is like the only foundation that worked for me that wouldn't make me look like an oily mess. This one blows that one out of the water, like out of the freaking water, and dare I say I will never go back to Estee Lauder after using this, because this is just so good. My skin has never looked better, and I was always so hesitant to try like cushion foundations for so long because I always thought it would be so much harder to like find a shade, and I don't know, like I was so used to my liquid foundations, I just never wanted to give it a try, but this is so amazing. Like, I don't know what it is. I always thought I was pretty good at applying my base, my foundation, but this just makes my skin look a million times better, and it's so effortless. I love that, like, it literally just comes with the puff and I don't have to like go and wet a sponge every time, but like that's not even the problem. The thing is my skin looks incredible. My only complaint with this, because I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys, is it does not last that long. Like, there's not a lot of product in this. Like, to be fair, when you buy this, it actually comes with a refill. So there's like the product in here, and then there's a second refill that you can like remove this and like put the second one in. So this is actually only the first refill, and I've used this for a couple months, but I don't wear makeup that often anymore. I really only wear it on the weekends, and this is like almost out, and I find that usually with like other foundations, it'll last me like over a year easily, but I already have to replace this after like a couple months, so I don't love that. But honestly, like, even knowing that, I'm still gonna keep using this because the difference in how my skin looks is just insane. The next product I have to recommend is these Judydoll eyeliners. As you can see, I have two of them. I also have backups of these in my drawers. I have the shade black in one of them, and then I also have gray brown. The gray brown I absolutely love. This is my favorite to reach for every day when I don't always want like a full black eyeliner. It's like a cool toned like gray, and it just looks so beautiful. These are amazing because if you don't know, this is the thinnest tip eyeliner probably like ever. It's just so easy to draw with, and these also last all day. You don't have to worry about any kind of smudging, anything like that. And not only that, so I thought that like because the tips are so thin, it would like run out of product faster. This gray brown one I've used for over a year now, and I've used this like pretty often, and it has still not run out. Like I have a backup because I thought I would run out sooner, but it still hasn't run out yet. So these are really, really good options and so worth your money. Now I'm gonna go into products that I would say are amazing products, but the main reason I'm recommending them is because they are just so worth the money. And so why would you get the more expensive version when you can get this one? First up is this CLIO eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow because it blends so beautifully. I would say that if you're looking for eyeshadow that's not like so insanely pigmented that like it's like a lot of like Western eyeshadows where there's like a ton of pigment, but if you want like a more natural everyday palette, this is amazing. This is, what shade is this? This is in 03 Mute Library, and it's more of like a cool toned palette, but I love that this one blends so beautifully. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and it's very, very subtle, but that's what I like for everyday eyeshadow. I don't like when it's too dark, so this has been so amazing. One thing I have to talk about in terms of Asian beauty is brow products. I don't know why you would ever spend money on Western brow products, because Asian brow products are literally sold for like $7. Like this pencil, this eyebrow pencil this is so thin and precise and pigmented. What's the difference between this one and like a $30 brow pencil? Nothing. And this is like, I don't know, like $10. This is the Peripera Tinted Brow Gel. If you want a brow gel that changes the color of your hair, go for these ones, because that doesn't really exist in the Western market for some reason, at least not that I've seen. Like on the Western market, I feel like people only really go for clear brow gels, or at least ones that aren't that pigmented, that aren't able to change the color of dark eyebrows, but this one can. And it's really cool if you want to go for like a different type of look, like more of a bleached brow look even. This is a really good option, and I'm pretty sure this is like $7, which is crazy. Like not even drugstore makeup is that cheap anymore. So if you're trying to save some serious money, I would shop Asian Beauty. Okay, this next product is my favorite lip product that I've been using lately, and this is the colorgram lip tint. If you want a lip tint that actually lasts, go for this one. I don't want to hear any, it dries your lips out. I'm sorry, like if you want something that actually lasts, it's probably gonna be a little bit drying. This is not a lip oil, this is a lip tint, okay? Like even when I see people talk about the Romand lip tint and they're like, it's so drying, like that bothers me, because like it's not. It's literally a tint. It's not supposed to be a gloss. It's not a lip balm. So if you want your lips to be hydrated, put on the tint and then put on either a gloss or a balm afterwards, and your lips won't be dry. But if you care about an actual tint and something that will actually last, this is my favorite lip tint that I've tried so far. And I've tried quite a few, but this one is so good, and I love this shade as well. This is in the shade 07 Shy Guava, and also like look how cute the packaging is. Like that is just so cute. And the last product I'm gonna be talking about is this Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin contour. This is just so good. It comes with this amazing brush that I love this brush so much, and this is just great. First of all, this is in the classic shade as well. This is just so good because one, it literally lasts forever. I think I've been using this for like a year and a half now, and it is still like, I have not hit pan on this yet. Like, I mean, you don't have to use a ton when you contour, but it's just really, really good, and it's very, very buildable and blendable, and so I feel like you can't really ask for more in terms of contour. And again, in comparison to Western brands, it's just so affordable. Ever since I got this, I have not felt the need to buy another contour, and I literally have not. I literally do not own another contour in my entire collection besides this one, and I love it. Like, I don't think I'm missing out on anything because it's that good, and I will probably use this until I literally have none left in here because it's a powder and powders don't expire. Before I forget, this tank top is also from YesStyle. So I have been so pleasantly surprised with the quality of YesStyle's tank tops specifically. If you want some cute, affordable tank tops, I would 1000% recommend. I wear their tank tops literally all the time. So yeah, I will also link some down below. Thank you so much to YesStyle for sponsoring today's video. Again, if you wanted to shop the YesStyle mega sale, I'm gonna leave my discount code in the description box below, and that's gonna give you 15% off your entire order, no minimum purchase, and that will be valid for only 72 hours after I post this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!